Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have been here before and have subscribed to my channel, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my effort to bring book summaries to you. If you are new to my channel, please smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification icon so you get my content red hot. Thank you so very much. Without any further ado, let's go through my summary of this great self-help book. Mindfulness for Beginners by Jon Kabat-Zinn is a comprehensive guide to mindfulness meditation and how to incorporate it into daily life. The book is divided into 4 parts, each covering a different aspect of mindfulness practice. Part 1 of the book introduces the concept of mindfulness and its benefits. Kabat-Zinn emphasizes the importance of paying attention to the present moment without judgment or distraction, as a way to reduce stress and increase overall well-being. He explains that mindfulness is a way to cultivate awareness and compassion, not just for oneself, but for others as well. Kabat-Zinn also provides an overview of the history and philosophy of mindfulness, drawing from Buddhist teachings and contemporary research in neuroscience and psychology. He explains that mindfulness is not a religion or ideology, but rather a way of being present and engaged with life. Part 2 of the book focuses on the body and how to cultivate mindfulness through awareness of physical sensations. Kabat-Zinn describes various techniques for becoming more attuned to the body, including body scans and mindful movement exercises. He encourages readers to listen to their bodies and to become more aware of bodily sensations such as tension, discomfort, or pain, as a way to increase self-awareness and reduce physical and emotional stress. Part 3 of the book explores the mind and emotions, and how mindfulness can help us become more aware of our thoughts and feelings. Kabat-Zinn explains how mindfulness can help us cultivate a sense of inner calm and stability, even in the midst of difficult emotions or challenging situations. He provides guidance on how to observe and accept our thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them or reacting impulsively. Kabat-Zinn also discusses the role of mindfulness in improving interpersonal relationships, both with oneself and with others. He emphasizes the importance of being present and attentive in our interactions with others, as a way to cultivate empathy, understanding, and connection. Part 4 of the book offers guidance on how to integrate mindfulness into daily life, both in formal meditation practices and in everyday activities. Kabat-Zinn provides practical tips for incorporating mindfulness into work, parenting, and other areas of life, emphasizing the importance of consistency and patience in cultivating a mindful way of being. Throughout the book, Kabat-Zinn emphasizes the importance of practice and repetition in cultivating mindfulness. He provides encouragement and support for readers who may be struggling with establishing a regular practice, and offers guidance on how to overcome common obstacles such as boredom, self-doubt, or resistance. Overall, Mindfulness for Beginners is a comprehensive and accessible guide to mindfulness meditation and its benefits. Kabat-Zinn's gentle and compassionate approach makes the practice of mindfulness accessible to readers of all backgrounds and experience levels, and his insights and guidance offer practical tools for cultivating greater awareness, compassion, and well-being in daily life. I really hope you loved this content. Please consider subscribing to my channel, hit that notification bell icon, it really will help me build the channel and bring more exciting content to you. Thanks for watching. Until my next video, take care and keep well.